Let's set expectations for your new shoulder because they're different from a hip or a knee. The sling is for comfort or protection. It's not a prison. You can wear it out of the house, around the dog, around the grandkids, and at night early on. But at home, when you're sitting quietly, take that arm out, let it rest in your lap. You can dangle it. Most patients are out of the sling in about 4 weeks, and they frequently come out sooner than that. We start gentle therapy within the first week because a shoulder that's locked away gets stiff. And stiff is a lot harder to fix than sore. Now, one rule I need you to actually follow. For the first 6 weeks, that arm lifts nothing heavier than a coffee cup. No pushing up out of a chair with it, no pulling doors, no gallon of milk. And this is the rule patients break the most because they start feeling pretty good and they, quite frankly, forget. That repair I did, getting into the shoulder, needs to heal for about 6 weeks. So two practical things. Sleep propped up. Recliner is worth its weight in gold for the first week or two. And almost nobody sleeps laying flat at first. And getting dressed, surgery arm goes into the sleep first, comes out last. Button up front shirts, you'll have this down in 2 days. Pain relief comes fast with this operation, and strength takes months. Both of